Welcome students. Today we are going to start new chapter that is types of company. Okay. A joint stock company can be several kinds can be seen from the following chart. Okay. So companies basically divided five broad categories. One is on the basis of mode of incorporation, on the basis of liability of members, public interest, on the basis of ownership and control, and last one is nationality or jurisdiction. Further, mode of incorporation further divided into three types: chartered company, statutory, and registered company. In this video, we will talk about mode of incorporation, means on the basis of incorporation company के types. Okay, तो on the basis of incorporation companies divided into three categories: chartered company, statutory company, and registered or incorporated company. Okay, let's start. Classification of the companies on the basis of mode of incorporation. First one is chartered company. Such companies can be set up by only in countries having system of monarchy. Means जहाँ पर राजे महाराजे होते हैं. The East India Company, the Bank of England, and Chartered Bank of Australia, India and China, Hudson Bay Company have been example of a chartered company. This type of company in India not found. Okay. Second one is stage 3 company. Such companies is established under a special act passed by parliament or by state legislature, as the case may be. Okay, the object of power and such company are defined in the act constituting it. Therefore, such company is not required have memorandum of association. It need not be used the limited against its name. The audit of statutory company corporation conduct under supervision and control the controller general, auditor general. Statutory company generally enjoy autonomous status as they are created to carry out business requiring extraordinary power and privileges. The Reserve Bank of India, Industrial Development Bank, India Life Insurance Corporation, the Unit Trust of India, some are example of statutory companies. So स्टेशनरी कंपनी मीन्स ऐसी कंपनीज जिसको जो पावर मिलती है किसी पार्लियामेंट से या स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर से. इसमें मेमोरेंडम एसोसिएशन, आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन जैसे डॉक्यूमेंट बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है क्योंकि इनको स्पेशल एक्ट से पावर मिलती है. ओके. And last is registered company or incorporated company. A company registered under Companies Act is called registered or incorporated company. Such company are most common in practice. आज के दिनों में मॉडर्न कॉरपोरेट सेक्टर में यही जो है मोड ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है. In this book, all reference of companies related to registered companies unless otherwise stated. It is significant to note insurance, banking, electricity supply companies are also incorporated under the Companies Act, but their operation are governed by the provisional their special act, namely Insurance Act 1938, the Banking Regulation Act 1949, Electricity Supply 1949. Okay, the provision of the Companies Act applicable of the company only to the extent that they are not inconsistent with those contained in the special statutes govern them. Steel Authority of India, Reliance Industry Limited, Maruti Udyog example are registered company. Means कंपनीज एक्ट के अंदर जो रजिस्टर्ड होगी वो कंपनीज. ओके. इसमें कुछ कंपनी जो होती हैं हर टाइप की चाहे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की हो, बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन हो, रजिस्टर्ड कंपनीज एक्ट में होती हैं। फिर भी कुछ बाकी इन कुछ कंपनी जो कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशंस होते हैं जिनके अलग से एक्ट होते हैं, उनके एक्सक्लूडिंग, उनको छोड़कर जो होंगे वो जो है कंपनीज रजिस्टर्ड कंपनीज होंगी। रजिस्टर्ड कंपनीज, हाँ, आर थ्री टाइप्स। रजिस्टर्ड कंपनी 3 टाइप की हो सकती हैं, 3 टाइप्स। वन इज लिमिटेड बाय शेयर, लिमिटेड बाय गारंटी एंड अनलिमिटेड कंपनी। ओके।